Hey, what's up everybody? I'm going to be making this short video. I know you all see me type long sentences in the group, but I'm making a short video to explain the rules and the concept behind this group. If you're not a part of the group, there's a link below that can lead you to the group. We're capping it at 400 members, so if you're not in, you better hurry up. It's completely gifting, 100% gifting, no trading, no greed, just helping everybody out. Let's get to it. So the first rule that we have here is be kind and courteous. Goes without saying. Don't be a dick. If you are, we'll just remove you. Won't put up with any of it. Gift before you ask. Your first thought when coming to the group is to be like, who can I gift cards to? I personally come at reset and I go to the golden standard post, which we'll get into in a minute, and I just find my 5 gifts, get rid of them, get them out of the way. I always prioritize my gifts to people with gold cards already so they can finish the set, get their dice, and move on. No trading, absolutely no trading whatsoever. It creates this mentality where if I don't get something, you don't get something. We're here to help everybody. No trading. I know trading, the term trading is a hard one to kick when you're actually trying to gift, but we're going to be phasing that out. No trading. The gold card thread, the gold card standard. So this is a thread that is posted in the featured tab. You'll be able to post comment with your set, put your set down below, picture of your set, with the comment, what you need, update it if you get a card, and your friend code. The admins or mods will come by and delete your post. Once we see that it's completed, don't delete it yourself. That's so we can see who is gifting. Do not post it again if you don't get it in one day. Don't delete it and then post it again the next day. The way I strategize it is I go to the top, work my way down. So it's good to just post it, leave it. Try not to post your gold sets in the group, because if someone gifts it to you there and you don't delete it from the gold thread, then you'll get doubled up. Waste of a gift. Not that it means a lot, not that any gift is a waste, but just so we can help more people faster. Asking posts. So if you want to ask for a specific card. Oh, this is me. I decided to post one because I hadn't. So if you do, make sure you take pictures of all of your ones that you post, or update it in the post, rather, when you get gifted one so that people know. Giving posts. You may post your sets to give away, have extras. So here's one that's a good, if you have extras that you want to give, that you just want people to come out and say, hey, I need this one, this is a good example. So you post these, all of them have your extras. As soon as you are out of gifts for the day, turn off your comments. Turn off your comments so that nobody else can comment on it and ask. And then you can come back the next day, turn them back on, or delete this post and make another post. We want to cut down on the clutter, so cleanliness is key. Post pictures of your sets. This is very important. I didn't think I would need to say this, but if you need something, like here, this person asked me if I had this. So they posted a comment, asked if I had it, and then posted proof of what they needed. I didn't think I would need to put this in there, but there might be people that come through and want to take advantage of this and say, hey, I need this card, and just collect cards to be able to cycle them through the card exchange. Report sketchy people. If anybody is sketchy in a post or in chats or anything like that, just report it to an admin or a mod and we'll take care of it. No DMing people. If you do not have permission to DM someone, don't do it. It's weird, it's off-putting, just don't. We have community chats for 3, 4, 5, 1-star gifting, getting to know people, all that stuff. The same rules apply for chats that it does the regular group. Post pics proving that you need what you're asking for. Delete, or you don't have to delete, I guess. Chats work a little bit differently. I see some of you in the chats who aren't even posting in the group, and that's fine. That's cool. Just make sure you keep it safe, keep it clean. We are currently at 293 members. We're going to be capping it at 400. So if you're not in here yet, make sure you get in here. Sorry if it took longer than anticipated. My brain. Thank you. See you in the group. Happy gifting.